Okay, here we go. So here we go again. So our activities now or today is the wiring diagram. The wiring diagram of the start, pins, stop controller. So it has one magnetic contactor. Okay. And two push button switches in green color. And there is also a push button in red color. So the two green push button switch are used to start and ends, like I said, and the red push button switch is used for stop, like I said also. So this type of controller is more economical. So economical because you don't even need a relay switch for its function. So all you have to do is use the normally open of the push button switch, which is red. So to make the controller of start and stop is just need 4 item, one magnetic contactor and 3 push button switch. So the wiring diagram is here. Okay, so the wiring diagram is here. So this is a line 1, okay, and this is start button, and this is stop button, start button, stop button. Okay, the operating coil is here. Okay, A1, A2, the operating coil. So connect to line 2. So if you push the start, so the operating coil will activate, but if you out your finger in this push button, it will back to normally open, so the current will cut and the operating coil will off. So you need to use the auxiliary normally open. So the auxiliary normally open is here. Okay, auxiliary. So if you want to push the start, the current will flow the current will flow here, and the operating coil will energize, and and the normally open become close, so it will close. So if you out your finger on this button start, so the current will passing through here, then connected to stop button and also the operating coil. So the operating coil is still activated. So okay, so start and stop. Okay, so another is the ins push button. So the ins push button is here. Okay, another connection, ins. Okay, so this one, like I said, we will use the normally open of this push button stop. So we need to connect this one to push button. Okay, so the push button is, and then we will connect this last terminal of push button to here. Okay, so if you want to push this ins, you need to push also this stop. You need to push this stop and holding down like that. So to operate easily, so stop button and ins button you will press in the same time like that. So if you press this button in the same time, these two button in the same time, ins and stop, the disconnection or disconnecting bar will touching in this normally open terminal. The operating bar is here. Okay, the operating bar touching in this normally open, and then it will close because you press the same time in the same time, so the ins will close, so the current will flow here, then flow here, and then go to here, and the operating coil will activate again. So just push this a few moments because this operation is not to run the motor in a long, just a little bit. Okay, because it's okay. So I will make another video because I will a lot to explain about this. So okay. I will make another video.